Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video we have a Redmi A3x which is pattern locked. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove pattern, password or your pin code in case you have forgot it. For that you have to power up your phone first and then press and hold power and volume up key simultaneously. Now when the MI logo comes up, release power key, but keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page comes up. When this page shows up, again press power and volume up key for the recovery menu. Here you can see that we have got into the recovery menu. Now here in the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data and then select factory data reset and then wait for a few seconds. You can see down here when this message comes up, data wipe complete, it means that the data on your phone has been completely erased. After that, select reboot system now and then wait for the phone to load up. It will take some time to load up, so you have to wait for it after the reset. Now when the phone turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup you will be able to use your phone normally again, and the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.